The 13th question, and what is said here, a cubical block of ice is floating in water and it has to support a metal piece weighing 0.5 kg. What can be the minimum edge of the block so that it does not sink in water? So first of all, we need to find, while floating freely in water, the volume of the ice inside, the volume of the ice block floating inside the water would be equal to density of ice upon density of water times of total volume. So it has to be 0.9 times of total volume. So therefore, in that case, as this is length into breadth into height, so height inside into x square, let x be the side length, is equal to 0.9 times of x cube. So therefore the height of the ice cube floating inside the water when it is freely floating will be 0.9 times of its side edge. Now the maximum, the weight 0.5 kg is being put on it. After putting weight 0.5 kg, the ice cube will come down with weight on its top and the complete will be heat. So as we know very well, there this in the initial case, initially the upthrust is balancing the weight of ice only. Now in that case, the new upthrust is balancing both weight of ice plus the weight of the metal piece, because it's more amount of it, this remaining portion will also get submerged in water. So obviously the upthrust will get increased to support the metal piece. So in that case, I can say the increase in upthrust, that is, the increase in upthrust is only due to balance this weight. So in that case, we can say that increase in upthrust would be equal to the weight of the metal piece, while increase in upthrust is nothing but the increase in volume in water, okay, increase in volume of ice in water. So it will be increase in the volume of ice in water into density of water is equal to the weight of metal piece, which is 0.5 kilogram. So 0.5 kilogram, we are keeping this in kilogram. How much is the increase here? So when ice was freely floating, it's 0.9 times of total side. Here the total edge length of ice cube we have considered as x. So 0.9 was already inside. So the extra volume which is inside is this. So it will be x minus 0.9x, that comes out to be 0.1x. So it will be volume will be length into breadth into height, that is 0.1x, which was outside, and after putting metal block that gets submerged, so that is the extra volume or increase in the volume of ice in water, into density of water, which is 1000 equal to 0.5. So x cube into 10 raised to minus 10 raised to 2 would be equal to 0.5. So x cube will be equal to 0.5 upon 10 raised to 2. So the x cube would be equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. I'll write this as 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So x will be cube root of this. So it will be cube root of 5 into 10 raised to minus 1. Okay. And now you can find the cube root of ice and get the answer easily. Thank you.